Hello students, welcome back for the new session. Hope you all are doing good. So let us recap the story what have we read in the previous class. What did we learn, children? We read a story about the two boys, Amit and Velu. Okay, where did they go? They went to a camp. With whom did they go? They went along with Velu's schoolmates. Okay, so they were in the forest now. So one day when they went, they tried to explore. Did you learn the meaning of explore, children? To find out for something new. Hope you are reading. Good. So what happened there? They were trying to explore something in the forest. So on the way they missed this place, isn't it? So but soon they got onto the track. As they were walking along the Periyar river, they heard something is coming towards him. And who realized it, children? Velu. How did he realize that? With a big loud footsteps, thump, 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 isn't it? So he decided that a big animal is coming towards them. So what did he do? He asked his friend to stand still and listen to it. What is the meaning of still? Without any movement. Did you read, children? Fine. So what did they do? They tried to hide from that animal. So where did they go? They walked quickly to hide behind a big trunk of tree. Isn't it? So what next they observed? That there was a large elephant about 20 meters away. Who spoke these words, children? Velu. Very good. You are following the story. So, in today's part, let's see what happened. What did that elephant do to them? Or how did they face that elephant? Ready? Yes. So, now what do you need to do, children? You need to open your book, take the pencil, get ready to follow up the lines, underline the new words which you come across. Okay? And please do remember, if you get a word which you already learned, try to underline and write the meaning of it, so that you will be practiced. So, here is today's part. He is angry. Don't let him hear us. Velu whispered. What do you mean? What is the meaning of whisper? Speak softly. Yes. And who is angry here, children? He is referred to elephant. He is talking about the elephant, that he is very angry at them. And don't let him hear us. So he is telling that don't let that elephant look at us or find us. But what happened? But the elephant heard them. So the animals are very smart enough and they can sense a lot. So already the elephant heard them. And he smelled them too. So animals have a good olfactory sensors that they can sense the smell from long distance too. So the elephant heard them and also smelled them too. He put his long trunk up in the air and trumpeted loudly. So as he knew that someone is hiding, maybe they may attack him, or they are out of anger, it want to attack them. So it was totally with keeping its long trunk high up in the air and trumpeted loudly. What's the meaning of trumpet, children? It's a cry of an elephant. It's a sound made by the elephant. Okay, so what happened? The boys did not move. So as they heard that, they were freezed up. So the boys did not move. Velu was afraid, but Amit wasn't. So Velu thought that it may attack them. So he was a little bit nervous and he was afraid of it. But Amit is so curious to see that elephant, because from the starting he is very much interested in seeing the animals, right? So he want to see that elephant directly. So he was very much curious, but Amit is waiting to see that. He was enjoying himself. Amit is really enjoying the moment that, yes, I'm gonna see the elephant, real elephant, and very near to it. So he was very much excited. Slowly the elephant came near them. So it sensed them, it smelled them and slowly walked towards the boys. Now he was only 2 or 3 meters away and was shaking his head in anger. So he's very near, now only 2 or 3 meters away, and he was very angry and he was shaking his head. So we also do the same, no children? When you don't like anything, you'll say, "No mommy," right? Isn't it? So the angry elephant also moving his head like that, right and left, and then trumpeting loudly and coming towards them. So he is going to attack us, Velu whispered to Amit. What did Velu tell? He whispered that he is going to attack us. So no doubt we are going to get hurt now. We must do something. He pulled out a big brown paper bag from his pocket. Okay, so he was in his own plans to do something in order to go away from that elephant. So what did he do, children? We must do something. We should not run. You can't run. It's a new place. It's a dark time, isn't it? So nowhere you can go in a safe side, because not only the elephant is there, you may be attacked with another animal, or you may fall into any pit. So you will be troubled a lot. Before that, you need to do something to get away from that angry elephant. So what did he do, children? He pulled out a big brown paper bag from his pocket. What is he going to do with a paper bag? It's such a big elephant in front of them. So what did he do? There were some sweets in it. So as they were going in the forest, he carried few sweets in the packet. Okay, children. So what did he do with these sweets? He dropped the sweets on the grass and started to blow into the bag. He dropped all the sweets onto the grass. It's nothing but he emptied the bag. So he don't want the sweets now. He wants the paper bag. So he emptied them. And what did he do? He blew air into the bag. So have you ever tried with a popcorn bag, children? Yes, we are very naughty. We sometimes try that. So soon the bag was like a big balloon. He hit it hard with his hand. What did he do? When he blew this paper bag, it turned into a big balloon. And what did he do? He just hit it with his hands. What might have happened, children? He'll get a loud sound, isn't it? Why did he do this? What is the trick he wants to play around? Is he smart enough? And you can understand that he is very spontaneous. Do you feel that he can attack an elephant with a paper bag? Silly, right? But why did he play this trick? What did the elephant do then? How did it react? Did it hurt them? Or the elephant was afraid? Is Velu playing there out of fear? Did he do that with any plan? What was Amit doing at that moment? So why Velu was so curious to get away from the problem? Do they need to that? Why did they feel that elephant is going to attack them? So hope you all got these doubts in the meantime, isn't it, children? Hope you got it? Yes, but now why did Velu do this? Can a paper bag affect the angry elephant? Such a big animal? What would have happened, children? So he planned for something, and what happened next will be in the next session. Till then, children, take care and please do read the story for fun and learn that. Okay? And you will be provided with the worksheets along with this. So you need to read the content and work on it so that you will have a continuation with the content and you will have a good concept around you. Did you get me, children? So hope you are going to practice them and use them in the own words so that you will be good at vocabulary too. Till then, thank you, children.